Hi guys, this is Mary. Welcome back to Cardz TV. Today we're going to do a Christmas in July card, and I have a new card sketch for you. This is Card Kitten Kaboodle sketch number 27, and as you can see, I've got all the measurements here for you, and you can go to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com, and download this sketch and keep it and print it out if you want to, or just use it for reference. And there are 27 now, and they're all free to download and use whenever you'd like to. So we'll be using sketch number 27, and as always, we've got our kit ready. Now, the Kitten Kaboodle sketches go along with making kits. We cut out all of our papers, do all of our stamping, get our embellishments ready in an envelope, and then when we need a card, we just pull everything out and put it together, and we've got a card in minutes. And as you can see, I've already got my papers and everything ready, my stamping done. My card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's white. Now, on the sketch, I've got a mat that's 4 by 5 1/4. But you know I like to always put a darker mat behind my pattern paper. So I've also cut a green mat at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And I love this paper. All of these papers came from this Home for Christmas 6x6 paper pad. This is from Pebbles, except for one, and this was in my stash. And I'm not sure where that came from. So I'm going to grab my art glitter glue and get these two mats adhered together and get them on the front of my card base. My card base is looking pretty Christmassy with these poinsettias, and I've got some pine branches with little berries and some kind of little tiny white flower that's really pretty. Now we'll look over at the sketch again. And right down here I have a border that's 1 inch by 4 inches. So I went through that paper pad and I found some green with little white polka dots. I'm going to get that adhered right here. And then we have 2 rectangular mats. So I cut one at 3 1/4 by 2 1/2. And then I used this red and white polka dot, and this is cut at 3 by 2 1/4. I'm going to get all of this adhered together and on the front of the card right there. Now we're ready to put our little image on and our sentiment, and we're almost done. Now I went to the Cricut Design Space and I used my Cricut Explorer and did a print and cut. And I found this cute little flamingo, and he is wearing a Santa hat. And this came from the Christmas in July 2018 images that you'll find in your Cricut Design Space if you subscribe to the monthly subscription. This comes along with it. There's some other ones there too that are really cute. There's also a little cactus with a Santa hat that's adorable. But I really like this little flamingo. And I've got family living in Florida and Texas, and it doesn't really get that cold. So I thought they might like to get something that's a little more in keeping with their temperatures in December. So that's why I'm doing this. And plus, I love flamingos. I think they're so cute. So I've got him mostly on some foam tape, but it's not real high. It's a little thin foam tape. And because his legs are so thin, I'm just going to put some art glitter glue on his legs to hold them down. And he's going to go right there. He's so cute. And for my sentiment, I have punched out a circle. I use this 1 1/4 circle punch. Now this says 1 1/4, but you can see this circle looks bigger. I think I made a mistake when I typed this, and I think this is probably 1 1/2 inches, but you can use whatever size circle you'd like, or if you don't want to use a circle, use a rectangle, use a star, use a snowflake, whatever you'd like. But I did use 1 1/4 inches, and I used some Memento Tuxedo black ink and stamped my sentiment, Warm Winter Wishes, which is going to go right there. Now, I do have that on foam tape. And that came from the Cardz TV Tiny Tiding stamp set. This one's always very popular and sells out at Christmas. But I used Warm Winter Wishes, and it fit perfectly on there. So I'm going to get this adhered down, and then we're going to come back and put some little enamel dots on here. I think I've got some white ones that I want to put in here and pull the little white flowers out of this background paper. I think that'd be really cute. And I might put one on the end of the little pom-pom on the end of his Santa hat. That would be cute as well. Here's my finished card for Christmas in July. I went ahead and put some white enamel dots on here, and I used a little white pom-pom that I had at the end of his Santa hat, and I think that really makes it cute. And I used sketch number 27 from the Cardz TV Card Kit and Kaboodle card sketches. Come on over to my blog, guys, if you're interested, and pick up your sketches. Have an awesome day and stay cool out there, guys. And I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.